Integrated photonics is a promising route towards high-performance, next-generation communication and sensing devices. Many foundries are starting to offer dedicated multi-project wafer runs for photonic integrated circuit, and this is providing an affordable route to design and fabricate your own chip. Significant manufacturing challenges are still present, but due to its massive potential, several public and private institutions are now working together in big European platforms and projects to gather all their effort and energies to translate them into commercial opportunities across a wide range of markets, from compact communication devices to medical diagnostic and sensors, all designed for mass markets.
PICs is the world's first open-access photonic integrated circuit assembly and packaging pilot line. It helps users exploit the breakthrough advantages of PIC technologies. You can find out more about PICs at COP 2020.
Europractice is a European platform created to support the microelectronic and photonic technology sectors by providing full routes to ICs, photonics, and MEMS, fabrication, advanced packaging, and world-class training. These services are brought to you by 5 European global technology leaders: CMP in France, Fraunhofer IIS in Germany, IMEC in Belgium, Tyndall National Institute in Ireland, and UKRI STFC in the UK.
ActFast is a one-stop shop for supporting and accelerating photonics innovation for European researchers and companies, lowering the major barriers to photonic innovation. We're closely aligned with the photonics pilot lines to help ensure prototypes can progress seamlessly to large-scale production and become market-ready products. ActFast is made up of 24 of Europe's leading photonics research institutes and provides direct access to over 200 of the best experts and state-of-the-art facilities.
Impulse, a manufacturing pilot line for indium phosphide photonic integrated circuits, which will improve the present industry from a vertically integrated model with all skill in-house within a small number of specialized businesses to an open access horizontal model accessible to all European innovators. This is our background, and it's a pleasure for us to invite you to attend our workshop. Really looking forward to showing you the potential of our world to improve the future of all of us.